Who are we? Pranksters! Where are we? The Coliseum! What do? Execute! Are you not entertained? The Coliseum! Is this not why you're here? Execute!
What's going on, Cranksters? We are back. Welcome to our Scalp and Chill for the evening. Thank you guys for joining me tonight. I'm CryptoCrank. We are in the Coliseum. We are back for our Scalp and Chill. Here we go, guys. Shout out to Jagger, Oculus, Rayman, TY, Nazarita. Guys, let's get ready to tango. I'm ready to go, guys. It's been a heck of a day trading. We've been in another tight range, a very, very tight range. And let's just jump right into it, guys, because I'm looking at some trades already. Got a couple seconds before jumping on just to kind of peek it out, see what we got going on. And one thing I was talking about the Cranksters today, guys, is there was three things. One, if your account is down, then you really do need to get to the basics. We're starting out our month of May, and if your accounts are down for the month, then you really need to get back to the basics, because every great trader starts off with a coach. They start off with a strategy. They start off with a structure. How this coach is doing things, where this coach is doing things, why this coach is doing things. And guys, any of the greats out there, let me just explain something to y'all. All right, we are all born losers. Every single one of us are born losers, all right? Losing is natural, but here's the thing, guys. We're also born winners, but it takes a lot of hard discipline to become a winner. It does take a lot of hard work. It takes a strategy, how to get there. It takes a structure by doing the same thing every single day. Once you have the structure and the strategy, you have to stay educated and disciplined in order to execute, guys. So with that being said, I am here to help you guys become winners. Obviously, this is not financial advice. We do have a Coliseum disclaimer. Let's go ahead and read that real quick, because as we get tighter and tighter and tighter throughout the year, I keep explaining to everybody, this is where you are going to want to be, in the Coliseum. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Trading involves significant risk, and you may lose more than your initial investment. All trading decisions are made at your own discretion. So again, going back to a coach and the strategy and the structure and the education and the discipline, so that way you guys are all able to execute on a flawless level. We do the same thing every single day, 5 days a week. We look at the Diddy Bitty Tango, which is USDT dominance. We look at Bitcoin. We find our structure. We use our strategy, which is scalping. And we stay within the range and we kick some ass, guys. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Let's look right over at Bitcoin. Let's go to R20. We can see we are in another tight range here. We can see Bitcoin is absolutely trying to break out here. I'd like to actually pull a fib level. Excuse me. We could see I did pull this fib level from this high little volume area right in here. Let's break this down. So we do have a nice little area breakout right in here. So I like pulling the fibs from right in here as well. So we can see here, Bitcoin kind of coiled up, broke out, came back down to a golden pocket, got a great bounce, and now we're holding, and now we're putting in these higher lows. These higher lows here, low, higher low. We're accumulating on this trend line. We are at resistance. We are at resistance. Now that we have our dedicated range for Bitcoin on the 20-minute, we now need to go over to USDT dominance. We go over to dominance. And if those that don't know the reason why it says Diddy, it's our little in-house joke for USDT dominance. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your trading view. You're going to put in USDT.D. We're going to pull up the 20. So again, USDT.D, crypto cap right here. It's the tether dominance in the market. Click on that. Boom, here we are. We then go to our 20 as well. We could also see that Diddy right now is coiling up. It is coiling up, guys, for a breakup or a breakdown. We would, if we have any shot of Bitcoin coming much higher, we do want to see dominance break down. We would want to see dominance break all the way down somewhere towards in here. You know, at least back down for a double bottom so that way Bitcoin can come up. So now that we have our, we do have our levels here, man. I was looking at Bitcoin. I almost took a long right in here, man, with a stop underneath. Let's see if we can catch some of this, man. Can we catch a little something? Can Bitcoin get rolling, man? Can we get a little bit, just a little bit? Can we get a little piece, man? Is Bitcoin going to get it? Man, I'm looking at Biddy right now, man. You know, the story last night, guys, we got 2 wicked scalps. We scalped twice and absolutely killed it. I posted those wins. It was a $10,000, $11,000 night. First trades back. It was absolutely beautiful. It was wicked to see. First trades back. This morning, I was trading inside of the Coliseum. We did a nice big morning stream. We were also able to see, you know, we popped off just a quick little, what was it, a Bitcoin long? Bitcoin was in a tight range. But right now, Bitcoin is fighting. What we actually need to do to try to get a better idea here is let's actually go out to the 1 hour. And yesterday, I was telling you, this momentum wave was curving up. Money flow was really deep, thick. This thing started popping, man. I'm going to see if this is this long in territory? Can we get a nice little pop for Bitcoin? You know, it's at resistance right now. But the thing is, man, is that we're not asking for much. Even if this thing comes up at all, right up into here, Bitcoin's fighting. Let's look at Diddy real quick. Diddy is breaking down. Dominance is starting to just kind of roll over. I want to see how this is going to play out here. Let's look to see who all is joining us. What's up, Sam Bush? Iclexi. We got our boy Gates, baby. We got Jagger. Let's see what's going to happen here on this move. This is a tight range, guys. This is a tight range. This big move is coming. This tight move is coming. Do we actually get up towards $81,000, $82,000, or are we going to break down towards that 75K again? What's going on, our girl CryptoCasian? Welcome to the stream. I'd also like to look real quick. I want to look at ETH, because ETH last night, man, I should have taken that ETH long and just pounded out this freaking trade, man. See, I'm liking ETH as well. I am liking ETH as well, man. Is ETH going to rip? I'm looking at ETH as well, man. Can ETH get a little pop? ETH is looking good, and we can see here, other than this wick right here, man, I mean, ETH is trying. It's just climbing, trying to wick everybody else out, man. It's just trying to scare everybody. I want to see if this thing's really going to play out, man. We've been kind of coiling up again, coiling up. I think we're heading up, guys. I really do. Let's also look at ETH here on the 20-minute. Come down to the 0 line. We're bouncing off of it. We're bouncing off of it. Can we get ourselves a little pump? We're watching the Diddy Bitty Tango at the finest right now. You know what? I don't know, man. It's hard to give a call on this one because I'm watching. I think long in territory, but just because we're not at a bounce level, like a level down here, it's tough, man. I'd say size down, but this thing's coming up. It looks good on the 20. Let's look at the 7 real quick. It's flat. It's fighting. We can see that we've just been putting in these lower highs right in here. Even right here, we're at resistance, man. Is this thing going to come back down towards this level, or are we finally going to get a little breakout? Let's see what's going to happen here. What's up, Sing Dingle? We got our boy Victor. He's long on ETH. I know you are, dude. He's the ETH killer. He is the Ethereum killer, baby. Yeah, I really, like last night, dude, I was looking at this and I was going, man, this long on ETH last night from down here, dude, on the breakout of this. Look, we even got a breakout. And this is how this trade looked, man. This was great. This was great. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Broke out, retest on the resistance. Look at this, guys. And then ripped on out of here, man. Should have taken this trade because even top blasting Bitcoin on that long, man. This was a 2% move right here. It was huge. It was huge. I still think ETH's coming up, man. It'd be nice if this thing comes down a little bit, somewhere down into here, man. We could fire on off. Be a great trade, guys. Great scalp. Yeah, smash the likes, guys, if you'd like to do a giveaway. Would love to do some giveaways. Let's get this month started. Looking at Bitcoin again. Let's see what Biddy's going to do here. It's been real choppy, man. Bitcoin has been real choppy. I still think it's going up, but let's look at Diddy real quick. Guys, this is compression right now. This is serious compression. This is the Diddy Bitty Tango at the highest level. If you're going to participate, keep tight stops. What I do like, though, is from here to here, even on this dump, you know, if I go a little higher and we go to the wick, even on just this little dump, from here to here, we almost touched this golden, and I'm talking very, very, very local. I'm talking from right here to right here. Still pull this fib, boom, boom. We almost came down to it. My mouse is acting a little wonky. But I am watching this, guys. Bitcoin's looking really, really, really good. Remember I said that, I guess I didn't say that on last night's live. I was on the spaces today, guys. I was on the spaces. Shout out to Wolf Bitcoin. Let's go to a 4-hour here. And I said what would absolutely be grueling is if Bitcoin was stuck between this 75 right in here to $79,000 range. If we just went full tilt sideways, trap them, baby. Trap them all. And to the cranksters, guys, what we want, because of our style of trading, because all we're asking for is just our scalps. All we're asking for is just a little piece. And this is a large range, guys. From the bottoms to the top is 7%. You know, I think it's long in territory. I think it's going up, but, you know, this is a big range to participate in, man. Now, I do see that Bitcoin right now, was this a higher low? Hold on, let's look at this. This right here, high was 79,423. This high right here, 79,423. 79,457. So we did put in a tad bit high here, but we are putting in a lower high from here to here. Let's see what's going to end up happening. I think Bitcoin, the fact that we came down here, didn't sweep all this liquidity here and here. We stopped right in here instead of just bulldozing down and crushing them. I think we're heading up. I think we're heading up. Whether it's tonight or whatever, you know what I mean? I think we're heading up. Crypto Pump, we got nothing. 86K move was supposed to happen this week. Who knows when it's supposed to happen? You know, who's to say, who gets to tell us that was supposed to happen? You know, you want to know what that sounds like to me, Crypto Pump? Mr. Crypto Pump, we'll put it right here. 86K move was supposed to happen this week. According to who? Ain't nobody fucking know. Ain't nobody know, bro. Ain't nobody know. That's why in the Coliseum, we do not overanalyze. This is why when you start understanding that the strategy is scalping, all right, when the strategy is scalping, we're in and out, we're getting our micro moves, you're getting your daily bread, dude, and you're going to go to bed. You're not going to care if you miss the big pump or you miss the big dump. We don't like that price action. Guys, I've noticed throughout this last week in the Coliseum, all right, we perform best in a boring sideways range. I see cranksters posting P&Ls throughout the entire day, 24/7, around the globe. So I'm going to tell you, we're supposed to get our 20 to 1 hour time frame scalps. That's what you're supposed to do. You desire a sideways, boring range that everybody doesn't like, that me, you, and the Coliseum can obliterate. We get our daily peace. We get our daily peace and we're done and we walk away. Y'all sleep peacefully. Your accounts grow. When we're saying, oh, it's supposed to go here, it's supposed to go there, we don't like that uncertainty. We don't like that in the chart. You know what kind of certainty that we want? Man, I got a nice range right now. Bitcoin is bouncing really, really, really well. Bitcoin is performing really, really well in this range. I need to participate in this. This is the crypto. This is what CryptoCrank and the Coliseum is being built on. This is what we want. This looks familiar. All right? That's what we want. That's what we want, guys. And the sooner you guys start clicking on this, the sooner you guys are going to stop looking at these big moves. You're going to start, guys, I do not listen. I barely watch anybody. I don't have any influence in my mind. I look at my range. I stick to my strategy. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't give a fuck what Bitcoin's supposed to be doing. That's what I do. That's what I teach. And I'm telling you guys that when you're around this environment like this for so long, being around so many other traders, being around the consistency with the strategy and the structure, you guys do your due diligence and look at the P&Ls that are being posted. We have so many cranksters that are posting P&Ls that are within the same range. Everybody's within a couple dollars of entry. That's what you're supposed to be doing if you're in the Coliseum. That's the way it works. I've back tested it. You guys see me do it almost every single day. You see other cranksters that are doing it. This is what the Coliseum is built on. The consistency of the scalp. Now, swing trades are great. I did a great swing trade. I made $71,000 on a swing trade. But you want to know what I did? I made $10,000 on the first one. I sized down. I left a runner. It was a $5 million long. I took out 75%. My boy Bits of Wealth was inside of the channel. He told me, hey, Crank, man, why don't you just, we've been talking about me trying to get in on swing trade. He's like, yo, Crank, just leave a runner, dog. Leave a runner. I left a runner. It took 2 days to play out. On that $1 million position, I was down 8-9 grand. I was up 10-12 grand, just letting it play. We had a little cushion, and boom, we took the swing trade. This sucker ripped from 77 to 79 grand. It was 70 G's, baby. We'll do the swing trades when the market permits. Right now, what are you guys going to do? Long this fucking thing right here down to 70 grand and lose your ass? Are you going to short it right here and you're going to lose your ass up to 83? I don't think so, bro. You're supposed to look at your 20-minute to 1 hour ranges and you're supposed to scalp it. That's what you need to be doing. All I got to say is, if that's not what you're doing, fuck around and find out. Right? I'm telling you, fuck around and find out. You're going to get smoked. 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 Either size down and swing trade and try to play it, all right? Or size up and scalp. What's going on, Shirley? Shirley Sound. I don't have 20, so 15 it is. Use your 15-minute time frame. That's what I've done in both ETH and BTC, but took out 75% at my target and left the rest in. I've taken more profits on each and let the rest run. That's the way we do it, guys. If you're going to scalp, you're going to take 75% out. One thing that I pride myself on, guys, when I talked to Crypto Face the other day was, he goes, dog, what are you doing? I lock it in. Respect the money. Respect the trade. Lock it in. You guys just saw me scalp all last night, and I said, dude, I'm going to lock it in. Yes, I could have made a little bit more. I locked it in. I'm going to lock it in. So many, guys, this is going to be the biggest trading year of my career. But it's taken me years and discipline and sticking to the same strategy. It works. Get into the Coliseum, guys. If you want to get into the Coliseum, and if you're new here, make sure to click on my Telegram link. It's already pinned, all right? make sure that you guys sign up to zoomex. All right, lock in your VIP tier 2 fees, reduce trading fees. Guys, you do not need to trade $50 million in order to get VIP tier 2. I give it to every single crankster. Every crankster automatically gets VIP tier 2. I understand in the Coliseum. That new traders are going to get wrecked by fees. I take care of that. Also, I don't care where you guys are trading. I don't care where you're trading out of. You want to get into the Coliseum? I'm building a trading desk, and what a trading desk means, all of us together. So if this is your first time, you're a high volume trader, reach out to me at vip@realcryptocrank.com. I can offer you something that nobody else can. With that being said, guys, same strategy every single day. Every single day. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Sticking to the strategy, sticking to the structure, sticking to the education, the discipline, so that way you can execute. Everything else is noise. It's all just a bunch of fucking noise. All right? Next, Mike Miko, you get into the live streams, dude, like we're doing right now. You get into the live streams like we're doing right now. I'm looking at this. Either Bitcoin's going to rip or it's going to trip on over and dump, dude. Bitcoin is fighting right now. Bitcoin is fighting right now, dude. Let's look at this real quick here. Let's look at this right here. Yep, Diddy is fighting right now. Let's look at Diddy real quick. If we have any shot at a long right now, you guys could see that Diddy's trying to hold this area right in here. It's a little dangerous. You guys can see here. See how Diddy, man, wick, couldn't do it. Finally broke out, came back down to it, but it didn't keep climbing. It's holding here. Also, Diddy is on a massive downtrend right now, guys. Massive downtrend. Let's see what's going to end up happening right now. Diddy's been coming down. If we want any type of pump, you want this thing to completely roll over. Completely roll over. All right? 71K, then 60K, and 46K dump incoming. Maybe. Sergio. 80 to 81K liquidity would serve as a magnet. You know, I'm in the camp, guys, that I'm in the camp that Bitcoin's going up. You know, if this is the top right in here, if this was our last little final top, we go over here to the daily. You know what? The daily's just fighting right now. I'm here to tell you, though, if we get a squeeze towards the upside with, RSIs are still really tight. Look at this weak momentum wave is just starting right in here. This thing if we get this pop on up here, up towards 81, 82, I'm going to be looking to take these shorts and I'll layer in because this momentum wave comes up. We get that Jason Casper uneven butt cheeks right in there. I'm going to be shorting this. Money flow comes down. Boom. Start sweeping all of this liquidity right in here. Munch them up, baby. Crush them. Let's also look at the, I'm going to look at the heat map right now. Let's look at the heat map. Yeah, look at all this below us. 77.5. It's lit up like a Christmas tree right above us too, just to kind of smash these the shorters up at 79K. It's 50-50 right now. What you're supposed to be doing is just scalping, getting your piece, getting your little daily piece, man, and then walking away and going to bed. And that's the other thing, too. Lou's saying it. Everybody could be shorting 81. They can squeeze this thing to the fucking farm. We get up into that 86, 80, 90 G's, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, you can't beat crypto pump. You can't beat. Lock it in, dude. Manage that greed. Manage that fear. Get out early, man. Lock it in. There's always another trade. Yeah, I'm watching old Bitcoin right now here. Let's see if this thing can get a little pop, or if she's just gonna roll over. It's just been coming up, dumping down, coming up, higher low, coming up. This time it didn't put. Yeah, it didn't put in a higher low. Just kind of a double topper right here on the 1 minute. Kind of came down. Is this thing gonna roll over, or is it gonna rip? Like I said, right now also, Diddy is holding. Diddy is absolutely holding right now, which means that if this thing pops up at all, man, Bitcoin's coming down just a tattle bit. A little tittle bit. There's Diddy right there. Diddy's trying to hold. For Ethereum, ETH's been the better horse, man. ETH looking good right here, man. ETH be looking good. Can ETH get a pop, man? ETH's been trying to hold, dude. Can ETH get a pop? Let's see, man. That'd be sick if ETH can get a little ripper up to like 2310 or something. That'd be a nice fat number. You shouldn't have a problem with it. Here, I can give it to you right here. I know that my bot has been acting wonky, but the other thing too is it's a Chinese holiday or whatever. So my support team dude is on. They don't take very many vacations, but they're on vacation right now. It's like the Labor Day holiday in like the United States, but it's inside of China. There's that link right there, dude. Let's see, man. Can ETH get to like 2304, man? I mean, just a few dollars. 2310 would be gangster, man, if this thing kind of popped on up. It's just been slow climbing. Let's see here. Let's also look at Hype. Hyperliquid is over 40. Jeez. Hyperliquid's looking good. Really held that 38, man. This thing's on a downtrend, though. I'd like to see it come all the way back down, but let's see, man. Everything's kind of positioned for that pop. XRP, jeez, man. XRP came all the way down here, huh? We're at 138 on XRP, just bleeding out. God bless. What about BNB? Also booty, huh? I mean, this is like that breakout retest on this big area right here. Breakout retest, kept going. We got to hold this level here, man. We got to hold this over on BNB, because if not, I think we can start taking out a lot of these levels, man. We got to see, man. All I'm asking for is a little long tonight. Can we get a little pop? What time is it? 7:30. We're going in. There's nothing trading. There is no news coming out. We're in a chill market, so there's no big crazy moves going to happen tonight, guys. That's also part of the strategy. That's also part of the strategy, man, is, I like trading the Scalp N CHills. That's why I created the Scalp N CHills, because, again, we don't get the crazy tweets, man. We get the London Asian Open. We can kill it. That'd be wild if we hit 80K while on stream, brother. I'm in a couple of longs here. I was like an ETH real quick. Keep stops underneath 22 like 94. Keep it tight. Little scalpies. Let's see if we can get, BNB's looking like a good one. BNB's trying to hold right now. What would that stop loss be? 610. That's too big of a stop. Whoa. $6 stops? I don't think so. A little too big with the levy. Come on, I just want to see if we can get a nice little pop here, man. How'd the SPY finish out? SPY started pulling back towards the end of the day. Okay. We got gold. Goldilocks. Oh, another perfect schlong. You guys know what we like to do when it tells out right here. Longs and shorts each side. XRP, man. XRP. I would have taken a long down here on XRP and participated. I would have participated on this here. Litecoin. I like trading me some Litecoin every now and then. 30-second, 30-minute. Is this live? Yeah, it's live, brother. Brother, can we get a pump tonight, huh? I'm thinking we're heading up. I'm long, man. I'm gonna take a couple of little longs, dude. Here, just some little baby longs, man. Let's see if we can make a couple G's, man. Just make a couple G's and go to bed. Looks like we're getting. Here we go, brother. Let's get these longs, man. I mean, let's see if we can make something happen out of this, though. Here, we got Bitcoin. I'm watching Diddy right now, man. I took a couple of trades. I'm not asking for much here on Bitcoin. Just a little ripper on up here, man. Here, I'm going to end up closing out these trades here in just a second. Let's see, man. Let's see, man. We got $2,500. We got 13 and 800. I took these little longs up here, man. This is tough acting right now, man. We got Biddy. We got Biddy on the block, brother. Come on, Bitcoin. We got a little. We got $2,200 on the play right now. But can Bitcoin give us just a little something? I mean, I'd even like 78,500. What do we make at 78,500? 78,500. Make a quick $3,300. I mean, I'll take that. Just give me a little pop up there. Let's go to ETH. I don't know if we can get it. Let's. I mean, same little move would be 2305, 2308. What do we make here? 2305, 2305. It'd be $6,000. I mean, dude, we're gonna set it here and just see if we can get a little pepperoni and queso. There's $3,000 right here. I don't know, El Chavo. What do you think, dog? Huh? I don't know if we can get it, dude. We got to keep it tight. We got to keep it tight. We're up a little 3Gs. We got about, what do we got? About $3 million in longs going on. Let's bring it back to Diddy and Biddy. Let's bring it back. Bring it on back. We could probably even close the trades now, man, and make a quick 3Gs. I'll take that, but I wanted to see Diddy right now. You guys can see we are breaking down. We really want to see some follow through. Come on, Diddy. Come on, Diddy girl. Come on down. Just come on. Break on down. But this is tough, man. We're fighting right now. We are fighting right now. I don't know if we're going to get it, guys. I mean, we're just not really getting big pumps. I mean, I just round tripped all of it right now. We round tripped all of it right now. Yep. It's tough, man. Now we're dumping. Bitcoin's fighting. And again, we haven't had any crazy big pumps, crazy big dumps. We've just been kind of just sidewinding up. Literally, we've just been sidewinding up, man. Nothing crazy. Unless we start getting some big dumps down here, we'll close out some trades. Let's see what's going to happen here, man. We've just been kind of sidewinding up. Let's see if we get like one more impulse move up. You know, just like a little, like a final blaster. You know what I'm saying? Like that final blast, that final moment at the end of the storybooks. Oh, we're back up $1,000. Yep, it'll stare up just so we can take the freaking window down. That's what I'm saying. We're gonna I'm locking it in. If we get this final little impulse, man, like I said, I already set those targets right there. We get on up there. Well, I'm locking it in. We just need a little bit, man. This thing can dump though, man. It's just been playing around. We're watching Diddy Bitty Tango right now. Checking out some Twitter. Get some X feeds going. Hanging out with the cranksters. Yeah, Bitcoin's either gonna get this big dump, dude, or we're gonna just at least get a little move up, man. Just a little move up. Nothing too crazy. Just kind of climb up here. I'd like to see it kind of just come up. You see this resistance right here that it's got? Work your way just kind of up onto here. Like, come on up to here and then reject. I'd like something like that. Let's look at ETH real quick. I know we got some ETH players. You know, same thing. I'd like to see ETH at least come up to right here, man. Like to the waterfall, just something like this. Come on, Ethereum. You know, 2305, 2306, something like this on top of that. Just give us one little squirt, man. We don't need nothing crazy. Let's just see what happens here, guys. It's early in the stream. We've been going on for 37 minutes. We just want a little piece. With that being said, shout out to everybody. What's going on, Lou, Manuel, Salty TA, El Chavo? What's up, Chavo? Sam Bush, LFC, Sergio. What's going on? ¿Qué pasó, Sergio? Sergio, snowboarder. Is anyone having troubles with the zoomex leak? I resent it out to you guys. Crypto pump. Yeah, let's see how this plays out, man. If this thing's going to come down a little bit. It's fighting. It's fighting right now. It's fighting. Incubadores, loco. What's up? ¿Qué pasó? What's up, dog? Mohammed Samuliman. What's up, man? Thank you guys for joining me. If you guys, we have over 100 of you guys watching total. Smash the likes. I'd love to give some money away. Smash the likes. Would love to give some money away, guys. Come on, ETH. ETH is fighting right now, man. ETH is fighting right now. Give us one more good impulse and then reject, man. Come on. Really haven't given us much, man. We haven't had any big moves to the upside or to the downside. It's just been real choppy, guys. It's been real choppy. Real choppy. There goes ETH. Is ETH coming down? ETH's coming down. Diddy's coming up. Let's look at this. We gotta focus here because a move's coming. A move is coming. Take this heat map out of here. Yeah, smash the likes, guys. Would love to go ahead and do a giveaway. Bitcoin's coming down right now. Maybe it completely rolls over, man, and tonight we get smoked. We had a good day yesterday. First stream back. You know, at least this kind of climbed up and then just jumped out the window. It's slow climbing right in here. I ain't too worried about it, man. We're going to watch it. We're going to watch it. All I'm looking for is just a little pop. Just a little pop. Just get our little piece, man. Oh. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. Hope everybody had a wonderful day. It's a good start to the first of the month. Good start to the first of the month. Yeah, man, I'm in a long. I'm watching this here. You know, I'm watching it. If this thing comes crashing down, we'll close them on out. We'll close them out, dude. But I'm watching this like a hawk because I'm watching Diddy right now. You know, I'm also watching the Ethereum. ETH's been fighting right now, man. Fighting. ETH is fighting. Same thing with Bitcoin. What's going on, D Parker? Right on, man. Yeah, I haven't had no dinner yet. I'll probably eat here in just a bit. I'm just waiting for our little pop. I'm still long, guys. I'm long. Just a little bit. Long by a little bit. Look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is fighting. Let's look at this here, guys. I'm trying to think about BNB, dude. If I traded any of these altcoins, I'd want them way lower, man. Hyperliquid is fighting right here, dude. We have so many touches right now on Hyperliquid right up in here. Let's go to a 10-minute on Hype. Throughout today, when I look at a 20-minute on Hyperliquid, it has been a long the pullback scenario. Hyperliquid has been a long the pullback scenario. Look at it. Throughout the whole day, we've literally had from here, which was all day long, from here to here, we've had 14 hours of long the dip scenario for Hyperliquid. Fighting. XRP. I don't know, man. XRP looks like ETH. It's ready to go, man. I mean, it had its little run today. It had its little run with Bitcoin and everything. Now it's kind of just come down and it's going sideways. Dude, I'm telling you, everyone's trying to short everything. And again, I'm not even asking for much, dude. I'm asking for just a little piece, boy. I'd like to know, man. You know, I trade a whole lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. What's that one coin that you guys just love to scalp that's been good to you? It's that one coin that you're just like, oh, man, that coin just feeds me, baby. You study it, get those entries. I used to be an ETH fanatic, all right? I used to trade ETH to Bitcoin, and I would just size up, baby, and I would just smack ETH left and right. I love trading Ethereum. And then I moved on over to Bitcoin because then I got the ditty bitty tango, man. Started smacking those trades. Bio and GFI yesterday. Wow. Those are some names I've never even heard of. Yeah, hype has been good, man. But I think Lou, you were inside of a hype long, man, from 20 some bucks. Come on, Biddy, hold here, man. I want this thing to dump. Come on, Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin's just been on this slow rise, dude. I mean, this is another jump out the door pattern here. You guys can see this goes all the way back here, man. This thing is just fighting. We are fighting right now on Bitcoin. All I want is a little piece, man. That's it. Let's get just one little piece, man. It's just been slow climbing, just one little piece. Maybe I'll close them, dude, if we get that little piece here. I'd like to see a little bit of a pump, man. Dude, it pumped all night long last night. You guys be trading these shit coins, boy. I hope you guys are killing it, man. I hope you're winning on those turds. I hope you're winning on those little turds. Mm-hmm. I'm still in it, man. Just signed up and made a deposit. Right on, snowboarder. Make sure if you're inside of the Coliseum, dude, shoot me your UID. We'll make sure that you got that VIP tier. You should automatically have it, but sometimes we got to make sure. I have a whole section, dude, for UIDs and verification and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? How's this looking here, dude? Is this thing not wanting to participate? This sucker's just not wanting to participate. Let's see. No worries. I'm going to be watching it throughout tonight, man. We get these nice little random pumps, dude. If we dump all the way down, then I'll probably look at it here. If we dump it all, dude, I'll probably just close it out. We're at break even right now. We're still at break even. I'm not asking for much on all of these little dumps and pumps. Look at this. Rainbow style. What is this? Let's look at this here. Pretty chill scalp and chill today, guys. Made a couple G's this morning. Just trading it, man. Just locking it in. I know me and Lou were locked in on that one, weren't we? Me and Lou were locked in on that Bitcoin long. Dude, you ended up closing it a tad bit higher than me, which was awesome. All right, let me double check this real quick for our boy. Let's go ahead and hit reply verified. You got your VIPs, baby. You're all set. It could roll over a little bit. Yeah, it's fighting right now. Del Ocho, Del Chavo Del Ocho. It's just fighting. It hasn't really broke anything. Anything below this, man, you know, we're probably coming down on this trend line right in here. Diddy's fighting to break up. I mean, it could break down. Let's see here. Let's look at this. Let's look at this real quick here. Let's go to a 7-minute here. Let's look at this. Momentum's been a little weak to the downside. Money flow's curving in. VWAP's anchored down. 3-minute money flow's just been coming down. Hmm. 20-minute money flow's coming down. Momentum's been weak. Maybe, you know what? I wasn't asking for much, dude. I either close out or don't trade at all until we come all the way back down somewhere into here. Guys. Well, what am I at? I'm at just a tad under break even on ETH. We're down about $500, 518 on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still trying to hold this level unless we dump through it at 78,200. Diddy's looking like it's getting ready to bounce. Diddy's looking pretty good, as a matter of fact. It's been holding here, but it can look good right here and then just drop, boom, and we get that pop. Hey, Tony Smokes, let's use a stop loss on $3 million, huh? Why don't we? Let's just use a stop loss and get smoked. Tony. What do you think, Tones? Yeah, I'll manually trade it, dude. That's my plan. I manually use it. I manually close my trades. I'm not going to sit here and babysit these things all damn night. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to sit here and babysit these all damn night. You know what I'm saying? I'll use stop losses on my other account. I'll manually trade with this account, dude. I'm not leaving no $3 million stop loss, dude, that'll... Obviously, Tony don't know what I mean. Last night, it was very similar to this price action. Last night was very similar, and then we ended up clapping out almost $10,000. Almost 14 grand, but by the time it kind of rotated back a little bit, it was almost 10 G's. I'm looking at Diddy right now, baby. What's going to happen here? I'm really watching. I don't even care what's going on with my trading position. All I care about is Diddy right now. All I care about is USDT dominance. That's all I want to look at right now is USDT dominance. This thing starts gaining ground, I'll just naturally close my trades. You know, somebody asked me last night, dude, I was up, let's see, I was up 14 grand on the short, and I told them, they're like, hey, Crank, you're already up 4%. What's stopping you right now? I told them, well, I'm just watching USDT dominance, man. I'm watching USDT dominance. Diddy is fighting right here, dude. How was your guys' nights going? What do you guys? Anybody inside of these trades? They're tight ones, man. These are tight ones. These are tight ones. These are tight ones. These type of trades are this nation's backbone. You guys ever watch The Campaign? I think I'm going to watch The Campaign tonight. It is a tight one. You guys are watching it right now? The Lakers game? Watching some ball? Rockets and Lakers are playing ball right now. Right on. Are they killing it? Is it a good game? I'm just waiting for this little pump. I'm waiting for my little pump. Okay? That's all I'm waiting for. I'm not asking for much. Let's see what's going to happen here. I don't even need to look at my trades, guys. All I need to look at right now is USDT dominance. This thing drops. Your boy Crank's banking out almost $7,000 tonight. This thing goes up, I'm going to lose my 2-3 grand. Simple as that. It's as simple as that. That's what I'm doing tonight. I'm going to look to see if we're going to get ourselves a little dump. All I need to do is watch USDT dominance. We're in a tight range right now. We start breaking out, I'll close my trades. We start breaking down, I'm going to close my trades. That's all I'm going to do, man. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Okay. Whale shit, moon night. It's a full moon. I've always heard of people trading that. I've never once see a P&L. That's just me. Everyone talks about the moon. You know, everyone talks about the moon. I just, you know, I don't know, man. I'd like to see a P&L attached to the moon. Can a brother just ask for a P&L attached to the moon? Like, hey, full moon should be a bloodbath. Shorted it. Showed me the chart. Showed me the calendar. Full moon, no moon, blood moon. And then a P&L. That'd be pretty dope. I'd like to see that. What do you guys think? I'd be interested. Yeah, I missed you too. Nonstop. Vegas was great, man. I had a great time. I got well rested, well hydrated. I'm ready to kick some ass, baby. I am ready to, you know, I'm ready to kick some ass, brother. We're ready to kick some ass. I'm in a couple of longs here. We're up $500-600. You know, this thing's just kind of playing right now. If we dump, I'll close. If we pump, I'll close. One of the two. I'm just hanging out. But Vegas is really, really good. Got to meet all the KOLs. Got to hang out with some, what I would consider mentor. I'm watching the Diddy Bitty Tango at the highest level right now. I'm watching Diddy. I'm watching USDT dominance. I'm just hanging out right now, man. It's a boring scalping show. We're doing more chilling than scalping, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm literally just waiting for however it's going to. I think I'm going to get my little pop. I think I'm going to get my pop, and I'm going to close out my trades. But what do I know? You know what I'm saying? Let's see if we can get it, man. But Vegas was a lot of fun. Like I said, a little boring right now. We're going on an hour. Yeah. I'm looking at ETH. Come on, baby, man. This little sucker here hasn't moved at all. Then I might even flip to a short, dude. We come up here. I might even take a short back down into this range here. I just might flip into a short if we get this pop up here, man. Like it's dead right now. We're about to get the move, dude. We're about to get the move. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get the move. Is it breaking down or is it breaking up? Are we breaking down or are we breaking up? We're about to get the move right now, man. I mean, I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. So, little boring. I know it's a little boring, man. You know, I don't stream for your entertainment. I don't trade for entertainment either. I'm here to fucking rip the exchanges of every fucking USDT coin that's out there. That's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to trade, man. I'm here to make a little bit of money. This is like normally what I do. If I'm not doing it on the stream, I'm going to end up going and sitting on the couch with my laptop and doing the exact same thing. You guys see me post all the trades inside of the Coliseum afterwards, so it doesn't matter. It's all the same thing. I'm watching Diddy right now. That's what I'm really focused on. I'm more focused on watching USDT dominance. You know, when you're in a long, dude, you want to see this thing just wick down, break down. This thing starts popping pretty good, man. Then it's, you know, trade's probably getting ready to go sour. Look, there it goes. Let's see. We got a little cushion from yesterday too. Like I said, almost what, 13, 14K. Boring. Hell no. I'm sweating. Are you sweating, dude? I'm waiting and I'm watching, dude. I'm just hanging out. Like I said, I'm just hanging out. Diddy's getting a nice little pop. You know, Bitcoin still hasn't broke structure. Somebody mentioned on the daily, though, yeah, Bitcoin had this beautiful uptrend, and absolutely it's broken it. You know what I mean? You guys can see here, just absolutely was climbing. As a matter of fact, we've back tested this trend line twice now. If I was to clean up all of this local stuff, if I cleaned up all this local stuff, you guys can see beautiful trend line, touch, 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 touch. What I don't like, though, is that we've actually back tested this big trend line twice. And we can see it here. Here, we'll use this guy here. You guys can see we back tested it there, here, and here. We've back tested it twice. You know, do we get this big pump on out of here and try to smoke these guys right up in here? I think there's a higher probability that we smoke these guys here and here than we smoke these guys here at 75. I mean, we're right here, man. Golly, if this is going to be it, this is going to be crazy. I mean, this is, you're talking about a 1.5% move, 1.5% move compared to a move down, which would be what, 4%? Yeah, look at that, 4.5% move down. But who knows? It can go both ways, though, man. It could easily go both ways. I'm still in them, man. I'm still just watching this. You know, triple top distribution. The biggest thing, man, is I can't believe that we're coming up this high and everybody's shorting this thing, bro. It's wild to me that everybody is shorting this thing. And I don't know, dude. You're about to get fucking smoked if you think you're in the clear on the short at 79 grand. If you think that you're in the clear, I'm going to tell you right now, at 79 grand, I'm going to top my hats off to you if you win. I will be just topping my hat off of you, sir, because I'm going to be, if 79 was it, I'm going to be like, no way, dude. No way. No, non-trophy, you know, I'd be saying, dude, I'm just gonna be short if I'm gonna be just floored if 79 was it, dude, and that's the end of it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna be floored if that's actually it. You get a triple top, we get triple play here, or double top, and that's it. I mean, all we got is just this right in here. I mean, it is decision time. Boy, I'm telling you what, there's going to be some serious winners, serious losers, but I want to see how this is going to play out, dude. The weekly's got insane tight RSIs. Now that could take forever to play out, dude. Look at the 3-day. The 3-day looks beautiful. You know, when you look at the 3-day, this is beautiful, dude. I mean, I'm just saying, momentum's coming up even here. I mean, when we made this low on the 3-day, we ended up putting in a higher low on the momentum waves. This little dip right in here, we had a higher momentum wave right in here. Money flow's curving in. RSIs are climbing. These things are going to climb like this. If these things start coming up, man, momentum's getting bigger. I mean, on the 3-day, it looks beautiful. 3-day looks wicked, but it could take forever for this to play out. On the daily, daily's cooling off just a wee bit. But the daily's telling us that we're going to have a nice pullback. And the reason I say that is look at this momentum wave here. I think we're still going to go higher based off of the RSIs. Money flow is still thick into the green. Yes, we're curving downwards just a tad, but this thing can come up just a little bit like that and start coming down. We look at this momentum wave. Look at this moment. If I was to blow this up, you look at this momentum wave. We're just getting started on this momentum wave. Look at this. This right here is curving up. If this thing curves up like that and you get old Jason Casper uneven butt cheeks like this, I'd be looking to short this move up to this 80, 83. You take that short, bearish confirmation right there. Boom, uneven butt cheeks. That's what I'd be looking for. All right? But everything that I'm looking at says squeeze higher. We're right here, man. We're right here. That's why I said I'm going to be floored. I'm going to be floored. Right on, Crypto Lion. Thank you so much. I'm going to be floored if 79K was it, and that's it. I mean, that's it. I mean, I guess I wouldn't be completely against it because I'm like, okay, Bitcoin, you just trapped them all and they got them. I mean, but look at that. I mean, that's exactly, these RSIs are tight, man. Money flow's still thick. I just want to see if we squeeze past and get any move up into this. I'm going to be seeing how that daily closes with this momentum wave right in here, man. If this thing is anywhere like a baby little butt cheek right in here, like a baby cheek. I don't want to say baby cheek, like those little bottoms, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. I'm going to end up taking these shorts. What's going on, Henro? We got to keep an eye on the uneven Dolores. Our boy Jay, man, teaches us, you know? I'm going to be looking for that same thing, dude. I'm going to be looking for that same thing, something like this. But the other thing, too, though, now that we're going into some little macro TA here for the weekend, I do like, you guys hear me say this, you know? You guys do hear me say this. I like whenever momentum and everything's clipping on the daily going in on a Monday because I say, hey, we're going to get our pump. We got a long ways for this to play out. I like that it's saying higher on I like how it's saying higher on the daily, all right? But that momentum wave is weak going into a weekend. That is confirmation for me to try to short this thing when we get up there. When we get up there towards 80, 81, 82, dude, and we get that uneven Dolores or the Jason Casper's uneven butt cheeks, AKA, you know, bearish divergence, I'm going to short it, dude. I like that going into the weekend. That's good confirmation leading up into that. I do like that. My indicators, I use market cipher. I use support, resistance, fib levels, volume. That's what you need to scalp, man. We scalp ranges. You know, we scalp ranges, dude. If we were to go to like, you know, we go over here and we go to like scalp ranges. Let's go out here to the daily. You know, let me just remove me real quick. I scalp ranges. Look at how we scalp all the ranges everywhere. We scalp all the way in here. We scalp all the way out here. We scalp it all. You scalp the shit out of this thing. Oh, here that's Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I got a lot more chance. There we go. Oh yeah. Now we remember the scalp king. Here we go, dude. Look. Now we're talking. I was like, where's all my trades at? We were on Ethereum. That's scalping, ladies and gentlemen. That's scalping. We scalp them all. All right? I'm an equal opportunist to the highs and the lows. Okay? That's scalping right there, ladies and gentlemen. Every inch of it. You see that? I mean, dude, we scalp ranges, baby. That's all we do. We scalp ranges. I told you guys, everyone says it's supposed to go up, it's supposed to go down, it's supposed to do this. No, you're supposed to scalp it within the structure with the education and the discipline that we teach inside of the Coliseum, so that way you guys can execute just like this. Boom. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, Kyle White? Yep. That's what you guys are supposed to be doing. Scalping it. Locking it in. Going to bed. Waking up. Doing it again. Over again. watching Bitcoin. So again, overall on the daily, like I said, I think that we're coming higher. I'd like to see the uneven butt cheeks. That's it. Boom. Oops. This momentum wave come up like that and it gets weak. Comes on down. Momentum just keeps climbing down to the downside. We get that bearish divergence, and then we short this bad boy down to the ground. You guys got to remember, man, the people that are all fat and healthy right now, the only people that are safe is not the shorts. All right? You guys got to remember, the only people that are fat and healthy right now with leverage are going to be these people right here. 65,000. Oops, no wonder why I said 65K right in here. Boom. 65 and 63.5 and 60K. The only people that are sitting nice, fat, and healthy are right here. And when people are sitting nice, fat, and healthy, you are a massive target to get just mauled, to get fucked. All right? The people that are sitting mildly healthy, and I wouldn't even say mildly, this is high risk to be short from $79,000. Look at how close we are to just getting smoked. Hella close to getting smoked. You know what I'm saying? Hella smoked to getting smoked. Yeah, just saying. So I'd be very careful on the shorts. I'd like one more expansion wave up. Market cipher showing us that the pumps to the upside are weak. I'd like to catch that weak pump, whether we just take the liquidity up just a tad. Lock it in. I'd be happy with that. Kind of come up, boom, boom, something like this. You know, we come up and then we come back down and try to flip this into support right here. I'd be a little worried. Again. Starts flagging out right in here, man, and it tries to hold some of this. But we got to wait and see. Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. This is why I stick to the 20-minute. I look at this and I say, you know what? Bitcoin's got a move here coming. It had a move today. Look, we're sitting right here. There's our downtrend. Here's Bitcoin right in here, dude. We've had multiple touches. We did end up breaking down. We came back up to the top. We're trying to hold this little support area. We're trying to hold it. Gina, all right? All I'm asking for is one little sweep above this. You can put in a lower high. Bitcoin's been liking to do these double tops before it just rolls over like this. Decides what it's going to do. But from my perspective, while I'm long right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin and I'm saying, okay, well, this has been from our dump to here. We've been climbing for 5 flipping hours. We've been just climbing for 5 hours. You know, everybody trying to pack up the shorts right in here. Everyone trying to short this right here. Cool, man. Feed my longs, boy. You know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. If we come on down and I'm wrong, I'll happily. I know I got great risk management. I'm one of the best losers. You know what I mean? So, no big deal. But we are coming up on an hour and 20, hour and 30. I'm gonna have to jump on off, get some dinner. I'm gonna be watching my trades, man. And like I said, if we're wrong and it goes south, I don't mind closing them out, man. But Bitcoin's fighting right now. Bitcoin is fighting right now, dude. Bitcoin's fighting. Diddy's also fighting to come on up. I'm going to be watching this more than anything. You know? Got this clear downtrend right in here. We're coming on up to it. I'm going to watch this. Is this thing actually going to break on up? If it is, then I'll happily close my trades, man. We got a little bit of a cushion. Last night, we made 10, 11 G's. Today, I made another $3,400, $3-4 grand. It's all right. We got a little cushion, man. We sized down a little bit. You know, let's look at Hyperliquid real quick. Let's look at Hype. Hype's been the Hype has been a buy the pullback scenario. Every single time Hyperliquid's been pulling back into this range, dude, whoop, I'd probably be long and Hype somewhere around the 40-70. I'd keep stops right around the 40-50. I mean, these things they're not completely buckling. They're trapping people is what it's doing, guys. Right now we are seeing a serious trap. We got longs and shorts. So if you're in the green inside of the longs or the shorts, you lock it in, dude. I would not be holding these positions right now, man. This is prime example of getting completely smoked. You know, prime example of getting completely smoked. It can, you know. All right, guys, we've been going on an hour and 30. We're down a little 2%. We're down about 2% on our trade. I'll get ready to cut bait on these things, man. I'm watching. I'll get ready to cut bait on these things. No big deal. Like I said, we were up almost $3,000. We're down about $3,000. I'm watching these things, dude. So I'm at the point where I'm gonna cut these trades either way. Cut bait, no big deal, and then I can look for my next scalp. But I'm watching. I'm watching Diddy Bitty right now. All right, guys. You guys have a wonderful night. I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow for a Scalp and Chill. It's the weekend. Definitely Sunday. Yeah, I'm going to be watching my trades, man. I'm just going to be relaxing. So you guys have a wonderful night, man. Make sure to get us out of the Coliseum. Yeah, you guys have a wonderful night, man. Yeah, I'm watching this real quick here. I might just... Probably gonna come all the way down here. Let's see. All right, guys. Just watching this right now. Like I said, I'm going to go sit on the couch and just watch these trades here in just a second, dude. I'll be posting them, whether we take a nice little L for the night. Like I said, we're down about 0.5% right now after this little pump here, about 0.5%. We're down about 0.5%, but you know what? I've been almost break even. That's what I was thinking about too. It's funny you say that, dude. Down 0.5% off of this pop right now. So if I close it on out now, funny you said that because I just thought that's what I was watching this and I was going, I said we're down about 0.75%. I'm in this thing, dude. I'm gonna go check us out real quick. My wife. Hold on.
We get set on the track.
Be right back. Hold on. I'm asking my financial advisor what I should be doing right now.
We get sap on the truth.
You see, I told my wife that my chat thinks that I don't have a plan. You want to know what my wife told me? I told my wife the damn chat thinks I don't have a plan. And she said, Crank, what do you think about that? I said, babe, you know, I said, babe, give me a second here. I haven't looked at anything. Where are we at here? I said, babe, I was waiting for a minor pullback so that way I could add fucking millions of goddamn dollars to the fucking trades. We're up $4,000. What? I said, babe, I was just asking for a little pump. We're going to go ahead and close her on out. We're up $4,000. I went ahead and I added to the trade here. I said, babe, they said I ain't got a plan. $5,000. And I said, I wasn't asking for much, honey. We were just asking for a wee bit. So let's see if we can get it. Let's see here. 78,340. Let's see if we can get 78,340. We'll take 50% off. We can suck it. We went ahead and closed that out already. Let's see here. We closed that. ETH's coming on up. Let's see if ETH gets one more little piece. I wasn't asking for much, boy. Let's see here. 28, 22, 98, 90. Let's see. 22, 98, 90. Sorry for yelling y'all's ears. I didn't mean to yell in your ears. I said some fool said I don't have a plan, and he left my stream. He tried hurting my feelings, dude. He tried hurting what I'm doing, and I said, dude, you made me a better man by making me $5,000 richer. Ooh, brother. Ooh. Brother. In BC drums. Oh, brother. Ooh. Let's see if this thing just dumps, man. I already locked in like $1,500. Actually, I really wanted to drop the ETH trade because this one's a little more volatile. This one's coming down. We couldn't get just a tad bit more of a pump. Let's see. Oh, right on, BC Drums. Yeah, man, you should have seen us last night. You know, we were trading last night. We clapped out almost $13,000. It was up almost 14 grand. Tonight, you just saw it. We're up over 5. We were just looking for a little bit of a pump. A little scalpy. We went through, dude, we've been streaming for almost 2 hours. Make sure to get us out of the Coliseum. I was getting ridiculed for not having a plan, but we walked through it the whole damn night. We got a little piece here, man. But I think I'm definitely going to be ending the stream. Let's go back over real quick and look at the ditty bitty. It's a breaking point. This is a breaking point. If good old Diddy girl can get ourselves a little drop more, if Diddy can get us just a little drop, I already locked in 15 hundo. Already locked in 15 hundo. We still have another $2,800 on the trade here, almost 3 G's. We're still sitting at $4 million in a long, 4 milli. But I'm watching Diddy Bitty right now, man. I'm gonna watch this to see if this thing's gonna, this thing's fighting right now, dude. Is this thing actually gonna pop or is it gonna break down? Last night, guys, Asia took us to the moon. We ripped all night long. Now we're just we came back down today. We slowly accumulated. Does Asia rip us right back up again for the weekend? To be determined. We don't know. We're scalping. We stick to the strategy, which is scalping. We stick to the structure, brother. Come on, baby. Let's just keep on going, dude. Let's just go. Come on, Bitcoin. That's all we're asking for is just a little bit of a move. Can Biddy give us just a little bit more of a move? Like I said, I originally said 78, like 500. If we can get up to what do we make at 78, 500? 78, 500, we'll make another 5,200 bucks. That'd be 8 grand. I hate moon math. We're moon mathing it now at this point. But that's all we were looking for, was just a little piece. We weren't asking for much. Just a piece. Just a piece, guys. We're not in it for all the glory and fame. We're in it for a fucking short time, baby. We got another 3 G's there, so that's 4,500. That's 5 grand. That'd be 5K. Another good night in the Scalp and Chill. Gates. I'm looking at Diddy Bitty right now. Let's see if Diddy breaks down. Let's see if we can get one more little pop or if we come on down, man. If we come down, I'll just close it all out, guys. But I'm watching Diddy to see if it breaks down right now. We came down, tried to fake everybody out. Now let's see if it actually comes down or if we get that little bit of move up that I was talking about. I got to focus real quick. We're about to focus real quick. Let's focus real quick. We locked in 1,500 already. We got another 3, 4 grand sitting here. So it'd be 5 if we just closed it all out. If we get one more little pump, or are we going to get a dump? I don't even need to look at my trades right now, guys. I'm telling you, it's all based off of Diddy right now. If Diddy drops right now anywhere down towards here, Bitcoin's going to get a nice little green candle, man, and we can lock in some serious profit. Which we already did. We already locked in 1,500. It was good. We can still, even on this little pullback right now on Bitcoin, we can still lock in almost 1,800 bucks. We might just need to do that. We might just need to lock in another 1,800 plus the 1,500, so 3,200 bucks for the night. Let's see though. You think I should lock it here? I'm watching Diddy Bitty right now, dude. We're going to get this next big move. This next candle here in the next 5 minutes. I'm going to stay on for 5 more minutes. I'm waiting for 5 more minutes. Because I'm going to see this candle right now. If Diddy breaks structure right now, which it's been having a hard time coming up. If Diddy breaks this line and buckles, I'm in the clear for a nice little scalp. We've already locked in some profits for the night, guys. We've been streaming almost 2 hours. We got a little piece, man. Ugh. Let's see how this thing's going to play out. Oh, I didn't know it. I just closed my ETH trade on accident. Oh, brother. I didn't know it. Look, it's closing out my ETH trade, damn it. I just closed out my goddamn ETH trade. I didn't fucking mean to do it because I was watching the ditty bitty goddamn tango. Oh, well, man, we locked in ETH. I don't even know what we just made on ETH. We got another $3,000 here. We've already locked in 1,500, so we locked in whatever ETH did. God dang it. We locked in ETH. Let's see ETH. Come on, man, load up. ETH is ripping. Ah! We got $600. That's it. We're up 3,300. I'll take it. God dang it, man. I didn't know that I had my ETH trade on. I put that TP in there, huh? All right. Let's just go ahead and see here. 78,390. Fuck it, dude. I'm going to be disciplined. 78,390. Let's see if we can get that at least. Come on, man. Give me one little jump. Sheesh. I just am watching this, dude. I've been waiting for this pump all night because I've been calling this pump. And I'm like, give me just a little bit, man. Here, close it. Yeah, you're right. Stop it. BC Drums, thank you. Dude said stop it, man. I like a man like you, you know? Or a girl like you. I don't know what you are. But you know what? You're right. There's another trade. At least we locked it in, dude. We made, it must have been a $1,200 trade or a $1,000 trade or whatever, and we got it. Woo! Oh! Another Scalp and Chill, baby. Bro, I tell you what, I fucking synced it. All right. Now we can cut the stream. Brother. There we go, guys. So we were calling it, man. We were waiting for the pop. We were waiting for the trades. We've been streaming for almost 2 hours. We were walking through it. We got it. We clapped out. Let's see here. We got Diddy breaking down right now. Good trades, man. Gates, I done synced it. I mean, here we go for the day, dude. We're rocking out the trades right in there. Take me off of it real quick. I mean, I'll take it, man. We walked through the plan, guys. We walked through the plan through the whole night. Brother, we just clapped him out, guys. We just smacked him out, dude. I gotta say something, dude. If you're watching, homie, let me tell you something real quick. I got my lucky 50-cent piece, dog. I don't know, man. I'm gonna keep it tight to me, dude. I don't know what it is, but these 50-cent pieces, dog. Yeah, man. I mean, guys, we called it. We walked it out. It was good. Yeah, where the fuck is Tony, dude? Telling me I'm gonna get smoked, bro. That I ain't got no fucking plan, dude. I don't know, dude. Whatever. Yeah, you know, guys, it was a good stream. It was a 2-hour-long stream. We clapped it out again. Last night, $14,000 on the other account and this one together, or 12 after our fees. Tonight, we just made another, I don't know, 3 Gs, 4 Gs after everything. We watched the Ditty Bitty Tango. We walked through our plan. We killed it, man. And, you know, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. You guys, I've already said it in 3 different styles right now. 1, if you guys are down on your accounts, if you're down on your accounts, you guys need to get back to the basics. The strategy is scalping, all right? Let's blow me up real quick. The strategy is scalping. The structure is our ranges. The education is the time in the charts, all right? You guys need to stay disciplined to stick to all 3 of those things so that way you guys can execute every single night. We do this every single night. So that's if you guys are down on your accounts. 2, if you guys are break even, stick to the discipline. It's gonna click for you. Respect the money. It's gonna click for you, all right? If you're break even, a break even day, a break even month is winning. You all are working your asses off, you guys, to put this money at risk. A break even month, you guys are killing it. 3rd, if you're up on your accounts. If you're up on your accounts, okay, then you guys need to stay to the consistency. What you guys did last month, do not change a thing. Keep it straight, keep it forward, guys. With that being said, you guys have a wonderful night. I'm out. Dinner time for me.
Who are we? Pranksters! Where are we? The Coliseum! What do we do? Execute! Are you not entertained?